Alright guys, check this out. I'm gonna take you this time to the heart of the situation, and we're gonna be taking action live right here, right now. Aussie dollar, we've been basically predicting this all along. We know this price action had some serious difficulties breaking that big resistance level, 71.97, as you can see right here. These are actually two levels from two different systems. The fact that they fall on top of each other says quite a bit, speaks volumes, so to speak. Now, price action also proved that this area is tough, right? Because it engaged a few times, and then suddenly it began to break a couple of days ago. I immediately sensed that this was not real. Not a real breakout, you know, it was a fake out. It was gonna be a trap. Interestingly enough, price action managed to hit the 200 moving average, just spiked it and backed away immediately. Now it's starting to smash that area. Now let me remind you again, this is not, if this was not a real breakout, then clearly price action belongs, you know, below that big level. And that's what's happening right now. It's coming back. Check out this angle on this situation. See what I'm talking about? This big, nasty spike is your piece of evidence that price action is not going to break 71.95, at least not on this ride. On this ride, it's turning around. And let me tell you something else. There is a system here that had been underappreciated. We only had 1, 2, 3. The third leg didn't really reach the lower section, so we can't count it. It went up. So this is, technically speaking, still the second wave. All this thing here is the second leg. So yeah, we do expect the third leg back down towards 70, 79, possibly beyond. Probably taking the previous lows before turning back up, you know, back to 71.40. Alright, that I guess that's pretty much what I had to say about the technical situation. It's time to throw in a 10K. 72.50 is going to be the target. We're targeting, the stop loss level, of course. We're targeting 70.79. Alright, let's go. Now we'll come back to, you know, tomorrow. If everything checks, price action still trading below 71.95, ended up the day today below that level. It's going to give us that green light to proceed, and we're going to do that exactly. We're going to do exactly that. You know, push the position bigger. 71.40 is going to be a spot for partial execution, right? We're going to take some profit at that area, and then the rest of the way to 70.79 is going to be interesting stuff. Pretty sure about that. There you go. Aussie dollar. New position. Just pull the trigger, guys. That's about that for today. Forex market section. We're not done yet with the program, though. We got the cryptocurrency market to talk about, and it's super interesting what's happening over there right now. So let's go right ahead and dive in. Coming right up in the next video.